Today we are making air-fried tuna patties. We will need 2 cans of tuna and other ingredients found in the description of this video. This recipe is easy and very delicious. Combine it all together and add some chili peppers if you would like some spice. Form the patties and place them in the air fryer basket. Sorry, I lost the footage of the patties. Cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes, flipping halfway. Remove and set aside, then continue to cook the rest. Let me know if you tried this recipe. Join the Oasis family by subscribing to the channel. We also offer exclusive memberships. Also, tell us where you are from.